Hey guys, work for Sonance here, back in our video. In this video, we'll be diving into the new track of Showtek and Dropgun, Island Boy. So the final result will sound like this. Although the remake isn't completely the same, I still think it's quite cool to show it. So if you want these presets right away and more presets and Style Future Bounce, make sure to check Future Bounce for him too. You'll find that down below. So now let's have the presets. So we have the chord steps sounding like this, and the bass line, sub bass, and the leads. So first I'm gonna dive into the chord steps. Just a simple saw patch. As you can see, it's still saw waves, with quite a lot of unison, some detunement, and a high filter to cut off the lows. So then get some dimension, tube distortion, some OTT that really opens it up, really makes a difference in the sound, with some reverb and delay. And the other important factor is envelope 3 to the pitch. It will give that kind of hardstyle effect to it. So without and with. Sounding like this. And that's the chord, so now let's have the bass line. It's a typical Dropgun kind of style bass line, sounding like this. So let me quickly disable all effects, sounding like this. So we'll start off with a phase verb, with envelope 2 to the wavetable position. Create some movement to it. Then as there B, there's that for fan modulation as well. So it really adds some more grittiness to the sound, makes it a lot thicker. You have the filter to control the sound, with the cutoff quite low. And after one to it, add some drive and fatness. Then with some hyperdimension, some hard clip distortion. It really makes the bass louder. Some flanger, some OTT that really opens up the bass with a lot of gain, some EQ that boosts the highs a bit, with after one to the gain, and some reverb and chorus to really add some more fullness to the sound. So with effects we cut off the lows and then sidechain to fill the lows up with the sub bass. Just a simple analog stop coming from the preset pack. And then we have the lead sounds sounding like this. So we basically have one main layer and just some other layers that support the sound. So we're gonna dive into the main sound. So again, let me quickly disable all effects. So we're gonna start off with two saw waves, one with no unisons and one with 8 unisons. So I have the combination of a detuned one and a clear saw wave. Then we have NFO 2 to the fine tune, add some more dirt to the sound. Then we're gonna shape the filter with a low 24. That really gives the character to the sound, some drive. And NFO 1 to the cutoff. And that's basically it for the oscillators. Now let's have an effects. First some hyperdimension. Hyper for some more detunement, animation to open it up, some chorus, some OTT that really boosts the highs of the sound, some reverb, before the tube distortion to really bring out the reverb a bit more, and a lot of tube distortion, and EQing to cut off the lows and boost the highs a little bit, and that's it for lead. So for the other layers, it sounds like this. So together with the chorus, it sounds like this. Bass line. And sub bass. So the final result sounds like this. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please do like, want to see more, and the subscribe button, and I see you all in the next videos.